Hi there, my name is Daniel Rosehill, and this YouTube channel discusses developments in the world of impact investment. Professionally, I work in the office of Sir Ronald Cohen, a leading figure in the world of impact investing. Although it's important to state at the outset that the views I'm going to be setting forth in videos here are very much made in a personal capacity. So an interesting piece of news came out from Bloomberg recently. They reported that this April 2023, was the busiest April on record for ESG bond issuance. Specifically, it was the busiest April for issuance since Bloomberg started tracking the market in 2007, which is 16 years. Issuance of bonds that were labelled as green, social, sustainable, and sustainability linked totaled $83.4 billion during the month. It's important to state that this wasn't the busiest month on record. Rather, the data was specifically comparing the monthly issuance every April since the market began. A more important piece of information, perhaps, is the breakdown between the various debt labels. ESG bonds is a far-reaching and not homogeneous label. As Sir Ronnie shared yesterday, it includes both sustainable bonds, which are simply bonds raised for sustainable purposes, with sustainability-linked bonds, or SLBs, and those are not the same thing. SLBs sound very similar to sustainable bonds, but have a unique mechanism whereby the coupon fluctuates according to the issuer's performance at achieving financial KPIs. Issuers can put themselves under pressure to meet their sustainability targets through linking their borrowing to environmental performance in those KPIs. This creates a powerful incentive for them to perform sustainably. Otherwise, they may end up paying debt at above market rates of interest. A windfall for bondholders, sure, but a strong financial penalty for the company. The issuance data shared has a couple of interesting snippets that I thought were worth discussing as well. Issuance across green bonds, SLLs and SLBs, and social bonds is actually down year on year looking at April. The record-breaking month for April figure was achieved by the broadly defined green bond market having 30% year-on-year growth and weighing the average upwards. Year-to-date issuance for sustainability-linked bonds, SLBs, and sustainability-linked loans, SLLs, totaled more than $110 billion. Although the market for these interesting sustainability-linked bonds remains vigorous, these data suggest that there may be a slowdown in overall issuance compared with last year's figures.